Everyone, my name is Abhilaj Ganesh Ponukar, and today's date is that 30th July 2021, and today's video topic is that hash map and tree map. Okay, so let us discuss about that. Firstly, we will discuss about the what is the tree map, what is the hash map, then what is the similarities of that between the hash map and tree map. Okay. So let us move on to the our topic that is the hash map and tree map. Okay, so Java hash map and tree map both are classes of that Java collection frameworks. That Java map implementations usually acts as a like a bucketed hash table. When buckets get too large, then they get transformed into the nodes of tree nodes, like each structured similarly to those in a java.util.tree map. So let us discuss about the hash map. Okay, so hash map implements the map like a k comma v, like a key and values, that is the clonable and serializable interfaces, that it extends the abstract map like a key and values class. It belongs to the java.util package. So hash map contains the value based on the key. It may have like a single null key and multiple null values. That hash map does not maintain the order while iterating. It contains always the unique elements. That it works on that principle of hashing. Okay, so let us discuss about that what is the tree map. Okay, so tree map is a class that extends the abstract map like key and values classes, and implements the navigable map like a key and values, that is the clonable and serializable interfaces. Okay, so tree map is an example like of a sorted map. Okay, so it is implemented by the red black tree, which is means that the like order of that keys is sorted. So tree map is also the contains like values based on that key. That tree map is sorted by keys. It contains the unique elements, and it cannot have a null key, but have multiple null values. Okay, so keys are in ascending order. It stores the object in the tree structure. So we will discuss what is the like a similarities between the hash map and tree map. Okay, so hash map and tree map classes that implements the clonable and serializable interfaces, that both the classes extends the abstract map like a key values classes. Okay, so a map is an object which stores key values pairs. In the key value pairs, each key is a unique, but their like values may be duplicate. Okay, so both the classes represents the mapping from that key to values. So both maps are it will be not be synchronized. Okay, so map uses the like a put method, to add an element in the map, and we have to use like a if we want to print that like add method, that we have to like getting that sys out, then like a map dot get method. Okay, so in that case the iterator throws a concurrent modification exception if the map is gets already modified in any way. Okay, so we will discuss about the what is the difference between the hash map and tree map. Okay, so hash map does not preserve the like iteration order, while the tree map preserves the order by using the compare to method, or it may be like a comparator set in the tree map constructor. Okay, so let us discuss about the what is the tree map and hash map differences. Okay, so firstly we will discuss about that definition, that is the Java hash map is a hash table based on that implementation of that map interfaces, and tree map is that like a Java tree map is a tree structure that is based on that implementation of that map interfaces. Okay, so in that hash map we have the implements the map, then clonable, and it will be like serializable interfaces. Then tree map implements that navigable map and clonable and serializable interfaces. Okay, so hash map that allows a single null key and multiple null values. Okay, in that whereas that tree map does not allow the null keys, but it can be allowed like multiple null values. Okay, so that the next difference is that also the hash map allows the heterogeneous elements, because it does not perform that sorting on keys. Okay, and whereas the tree map allows the homogeneous values as a key because of sorting. Okay, so the performance is like a hash map is faster than a tree map because it is a provides the constant time performance, that is the big of 1 for the basic operations like a get and put method. Okay, whereas that tree map is slow in comparison to hash map because it is provides the performance of that big of log n for the most operations like add or remove and contains method. Okay, so it will be like another difference is like hash map classes contains only the basic functions like a get, put, or it may be like a key set, etc. Whereas the like a tree map classes is rich in functionality because it contains the functions like tail map, first key, or it may be like a last key, or poll first entry, or a poll last entry. Okay, so we will discuss on that hash map in detail, like hash map being a hash table based implementation. So internally uses an array based data structure that to organize its elements according to the hash functions. Okay, so hash map provides the expected constant time performance that big of 1 for most operations like add, remove, and contains method. So and therefore it's like significantly faster than a tree map. Okay, so as we discussed before, so the average time of that searching for an element under the reasonable assumptions. Okay, so in a hash table is big of 1, but in improper implementation of that function, hash function, which may like lead to a poor distribution of that values in that buckets, which results in like a memory overhead, like many buckets remain unused, then performance like degradations, that is the higher number of that collisions, the lower performance. Okay, so let us discuss about that tree map. Okay, so in that tree map the tree map it stores its data in a hierarchical tree with the ability to sort the elements with the help of a custom comparator. That is, the tree map provides performance of that big of log n for the most operations like a add or a remove and condense method. That tree map can saves the memory in comparisons to like a hash map, because it is only uses the amount of a memory that is needed to hold its items, unlike a hash map which is uses a contiguous region of a memory. Okay, so a tree that should maintain its balance in order to keep its intended performance. So this requires a considerable amount of effort. Okay, hence it compile it's hence it is a complicates that the implementation. Okay, that's all about it.